Hi everyone, it's Laurie Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams. I want to talk about 5 things that you need to do to make sure you maximize the amount of money that you're going to make when you sell your house and how quickly you're going to sell your home. The biggest thing is exposure. We want to make sure that we expose your house through digital marketing to the masses. Most likely, you're actually watching this video through a detailed target marketing ad where I'm actually pixelating you and making sure that I'm exposing you to my ads and that you're actually seeing them. We're actually averaging over 50,000 views for every video that we do on new listed homes. It's all done through a detailed marketing plan that's taken so much time, effort, and energy to really learn and specialize, and we continue to make it better and better each time. Now, what else is super important? You need to make sure that you hire somebody that's really good at negotiating. Think about this. If the average agent in Florida only sells 4 or 5 homes a year, are they really able to negotiate on your behalf to the best of their ability? My team continues to make sure we're updating ourselves on what's new and how we can best serve and negotiate on behalf of our sellers. Okay, so the next 3 things are price, condition, and location. Here's the deal. Everyone always thinks their house is worth more than it is. Even I probably do. But if you start thinking about selling your house, you have to make sure that you aren't just looking at Zillow. Remember, Zillow is only an algorithm. It doesn't really take into account all of the specific features of your home. It doesn't know whether you have a pool or not. It doesn't know about upgrades. It doesn't know if your home's in good condition or poor condition. And that stuff's really important. If any of those things are off, like the location, the condition, or if you live near a busy street, the Zestimate will be off also. So you need to make accommodations. You need to make an adjustment just like an appraiser would. So remember, exposure and marketing is super important. When buying and selling, you need to make sure you hire someone who's also an awesome negotiator and has tons of experience, because remember, every single person in this area knows a realtor, probably 2 or 3 because there are a lot of us out here. But don't leave the biggest investment of your entire life in the hands of someone who only sells a couple houses a year or works part-time as a realtor. Go to an expert. Go to somebody who's going to expose your home to the masses, who's an expert at their game, who takes their job seriously, who does it full-time, and has your best interests at heart. Again, my name is Laurie Hodges, and I would love to help you with anything real estate related. If you're thinking about buying or selling, please just give us a call. I want you to know that I take my profession very seriously, and I make it my point and priority to be on the cutting edge of innovation technology as well as market trends so I can serve my community and those who I'm trying to help. Feel free to forward this video to somebody who might be thinking about buying or selling as well. At Homes by Hodges, we're making realty dreams a reality. Have a great day, friends.